In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an entire app with Lovable AI, whether you're a developer, an entrepreneur, or someone who just loves dabbling in app creation. Lovable AI offers a streamlined process to bring your ideas to life with minimal hassle. First, let's begin by visiting Lovable's website. You can easily search for lovable.dev on your browser, and once you're there, you'll see just how user-friendly the interface is, even if you're new to this or just exploring your app building potential. Now, to get started efficiently, you'll want to begin with a clear prompt or select one of the available templates. Lovable AI provides ready-to-use templates that can serve as a solid foundation, allowing you to focus on customizing the features specific to your vision. These templates serve as a guide and can significantly speed up the development process. With your foundation set, the next step is defining your app concept and structure. This is where your creativity comes into play. Consider your target audience and the problem your app aims to solve. Lay out the primary functions and sections of your application, making sure everything aligns with your overarching goal. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for how your app will operate and fulfill user needs. As you conceptualize, take advantage of Lovable AI's built-in integration with platforms like Supabase and GitHub. Supabase can handle your backend needs effortlessly, providing a robust database solution, while GitHub allows for seamless code management and team collaboration. Leveraging these integrations can save you time and enhance your app's functionality. Once integrations are set up, you can proceed to generate the app's UI and logic using AI. Lovable AI excels in this area, providing intelligent suggestions and creating the necessary coding structure to fit the features you've envisioned. The AI ensures it aligns well with user expectations and modern design principles. After your app's initial version is generated, it's time to refine. Take a close look at what Lovable AI has created and make any necessary adjustments to the design, functionality, or both. This stage might involve tweaking colors, rearranging components, or even integrating additional user feedback you've collected. Before you go live, it's important to preview, test, and iterate your app. Testing ensures everything functions perfectly and the user experience is smooth. Don't hesitate to make adjustments based on test results to optimize your app's performance and user satisfaction. Finally, when you're confident every aspect of your app is ready, it's time to deploy and go live. Lovable AI simplifies deployment, allowing you to take your app public easily. By following through with these steps, you're now ready to share your app with the world and watch as it serves users in ways you once only imagined. And there you have it, a full app creation process with Lovable AI made simple and approachable. Best of luck with your app development journey, and remember, the possibilities are endless with the power of AI.